Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix alarm sound not working on your device after updating your device to the latest version of iOS 17.4.1. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this problem, so guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply check the volume level of your iPhone. For that you have to just simply drag down your control center and you have to make sure that the volume level is up. And after that, check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open your clock. Now from here guys, you can select here, tap on it plus icon, and from here guys you can see here sound, tap on it, and after that select sound from here, and after that simply save it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to make sure that the silent mode is not enabled. So guys, make sure that by the side button of your iPhone, and after that turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then open your settings, scroll down, then tap on general, scroll down and tap on shutdown, and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply drag down your control center again and make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled. If the do not disturb mode is enabled, then simply turn it off, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open setting again, scroll to below, then tap on general, scroll to below, then here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap here reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the audio, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.